Good morning and welcome to Eidfjord. Population 1,000. The quaint village of Eidfjord is nestled in the heart of one of Norway's most scenic regions. From the Norwegian Sea, the waters of the expansive Hardanger Fjord lead to smaller Eidfjorden and to this charming mountain hamlet. It is the gateway to Hardangervidda, Europe's largest mountain plateau. And here we have town. They have a million different excursions, going to the top of the mountain, going to what was a traditional Viking village, rib excursions, those small little boats that go zooming up the fjord. As I've heard, I think there are exactly 2 shops in town for buying. Stunning. This is where we're going to be going this afternoon, the Nature Center. Got a really nice little information office here. Norwegian Yahtzee. This gigantic thingy here is the world's largest Pelton runner. It was used in the hydropower plant between 1981 and 215. Whatever a Pelton runner is, it weighs 37,000 kilos, made of steel, and it broke. So they decided to put the old one here. What is a Pelton runner? I looked up exactly what a Pelton turbine is. It is an impulse-type water turbine invented by an American inventor, Lester Allen Pelton, in the 1870s. It extracts energy from the momentum of the moving water as opposed to the water's own weight, like the traditional overshot water wheel. This design extracts almost all of the water's momentum energy, which results in a very efficient turbine. Now I and you know. This is very neat because whichever direction you walk, the face follows you. Look at this. See, it's coming. It's coming. Coming. That is fascinating, the way that happens. Okay, let's keep going to the right. Here's one of the 2 stores here. I really need a new troll. My troll fell off my refrigerator and broke. I do not know what's growing on it. There are a few pensions, and I saw 2 hotels, 2 big hotels as a matter of fact. I guess you come on up here and you hike the mountains. Waterfalls Hotel is big. One of the optional excursions was kayaking. What a place to kayak. Water is so still. And it's goodbye to gorgeous Eidfjord. Bye-bye.